Hey everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. How are you? I'm great. All right, so I got a package. I am waiting for something from the whisk bag company. So I don't know if that's what this is, because normally it comes in a bag. And I don't know why there's a Z on there, a Z in Canada. So I don't know. I don't know what this is. So let's just open it and see. I cut the tape, but I haven't looked inside. Yeah, let's see what it is. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Okay, it's not the bags, but I am expecting bags. Oh, Setta's Place, her calendar cowl. I went to order one of these, all right? I was gonna order one, told her I wanted one. She says, don't you worry, I'm sending you this happy mail. Thank you so much, Setta. Oh my goodness. So, yeah. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day. Oh, thank you. You too, Setta, and everyone have a blessed day. Okay. So I am going to open this, and I can show month 1 and 2, January and February, to you guys, because it's a surprise every month. There's some YouTubers and there's some subscribers' pictures, so I can't show you them all, but I'm gonna look at them. Oh, Setta. Oh, so sweet. I sent her a Star Trek calendar. I had seen it online and I was like, I gotta get that for Setta. She's a Trekkie. So she got it already. It's on her channel. I'll link her channel below if you don't know who Setta is from Setta's Place. Where have you been? She's magnificent. I just love you, Setta. All right. So the first one she showed on her channel was January. And that is our lovely Miss Setta with a coat that she designed. Now, I'm not sure if she has her pattern ready yet. I mean, that would take a long time, right? But isn't she beautiful in that coat? She was so impressed with herself when she made that. It's crochet. And you should be. You should be. All right, so that was January. And then she showed February. I think February is awesome too, because February is Black History Month. So February, oh, and she has the United States. Is that on all of them? Let me just look. Oh! Oh, maybe this, is this map, can you see that on there, of Alaska? Maybe, because she lives in Alaska. Maybe, I think so. And this would be the United States, right here. All right, so Black History Month. You guys may recognize some of these wonderful, wonderful women. I think, let's see, are they all YouTubers? I think they might all be YouTubers. Yeah, so what you do with the crochet along is you take colors from the picture and you make something. Yeah, each month. Then you send your pictures to Setta of your item, and she does a slideshow. Yeah, so those are the only 2 months I can show you. I'm going to take a sneak peek. Oh my. All right. Oh. Okay. Can't tell you. Thank you so much, Sarah. You know, I had completely forgot that you were going to send this to me. So, oh, thank you so much. All right, you guys, go over to Sarah's channel. Check out her calendar cowl, crochet along, and make some stuff. All right, thank you so much, Sarah. I love you. All right, thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate you all. Oh, I have a tutorial for this. It's just a cute little summer Cardi. Yeah, so I'll link it above here and below. And definitely link Sarah's channel below. Yeah, you guys are fantastic. All of you. I love you all. You make my day. You do. You all make my day. All right, you guys, I will see you again hopefully soon. I am working on a tutorial, and then I got another tutorial in my head. Well, I have lots in my head, but I got another one in my head, and then I started designing it, and then I thought, oh, I want to do this a different way, so I've changed it. But the next tutorial won't be out for a while because that one I ripped out several times, and then I thought I got it, and then I didn't. So I ripped it out a couple more times. Yeah, but now I got it. I figured out how to make it work, and I got it. So I've done some recording in that. So I'm hoping it'll be up by the end of February, I hope. All right, you guys. So take care, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.